Every woodworker needs at least one. This is mine. I bought it some time ago at a flea market, which does not mean that it was cheap. It wasn't. Goddamn. I was tempted to buy because it was in good condition. You know, the handle a little loose, no wedge, but generally no big deal. Bevel angle is quite good, only the back side requires flattening. I think it would be best to make a new handle, correctly bent of course, a little low with the help of an angle grinder. About the handle, I leave you the choice, beech or riven oak. Okay, let's do both. And thick wedge. The original handle has shrunk a little, that is why it's loose. It's pretty, made of hornbeam. Hornbeam. Wait a minute. Isn't that the guy who is such a big advocate of hand tools? Well, I still love my frame saw, but my band saw does absolutely everything to become the apple in my eye. Using draw knife and shaving horse is one of the most satisfying things to do in workshop, besides sweeping the floor, of course. In result, you get the most stable and straight grain wood you hot. And them cracked, both. I hope that these are only surface cracks and can be simply sheared off. If not, I'm cooked. Well, Well, now need to remove these blackened spots. Quite tight in here. Now I'm on the beech handle. Basically, I repeated the work that I have done on the oak handle, so I won't bother you with extra footage. Yep, I'm going to do all by hand. Only file and some sandpaper. What a hero I am. That's how it looks. Now, I really am afraid about flattening the backside. I have some experience with vintage plane blades, so I know how tedious work it can be. I have checked the backside for flatness and it's not tragically, but at this stage the blade is completely blunt. Ha! Checkmate, safety solis? Now it's scary sharp. Huh? Quite a convenient method for sharpening pencils. I'm not convinced about these shiny spots. We will try to remedy this. Nothing drastic, it's just about blending these spots and make it less shiny. Now, this is a proper chemistry here, my dear friends. White vinegar, a few drops. Hydrogen peroxide, some, and white powder. Three perfectly measured chisels. Freshly honed. Now mix it up And voila! Magic! This is rust! Let's turn it to black oxide. And moment of truth. I'm choosing oak. Just because. Well, I like oak. A lot. What you are seeing here is the worst leather working in the whole universe. Well, my axe need a shit anyway. I hope that I'm pronouncing this correctly, otherwise it would be an awkward situation. You know, shitty situation? Shitty shit? Let's hope not. Done. Not nice, but good enough. Now let's chop. Who cares anyway? Just kidding. I love my new old ex. See ya in the next video.